For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video from Filmy Mantra.
स्वाद केसरी हैशटैग बोलो जुबान केसरी बादशाह मूवी है सीडी बोलो जुबान केसरी हंसते मैम मैम यहाँ ये हाँ यस जो पीछे ना लेना मैम सेंटर में देखिए लुक सेंटर मैम लुक सेंटर लेना सेंटर लेना मैम सेंटर 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 मैम लुक किया लेना मैम ये सेंटर सेंटर लुक सेंटर मैम लेना सेंटर में लेना मैम सेंटर के पास देख रहे लेना मैम ये लुक किया मैम नेक्स्ट लेना मैम सेंटर में देखिए यो लेना मैम सेंटर यो सेंटर लेना मैम यो थैंक यू मैम सिक्योरिटी को भगा दे हेलो प्लीज यार सीधे आप इनाउ से वो कौन है दोनों हाँ ऐसे भी चलेगा ऐसे भी चलेगा थोड़ा मांगे तो इधर चल ठीक है थोड़ा मांगे तो नहीं मांगे पावा ना आगे कोई भी मत जाना है उधर ही खड़े अरे इनाउस को बोलो सामने भी आ रहा है भाई मैं पीछे चले जाऊंगा डर लगता है सर आपको तो उल्टा उड़ डाल लेगा इनाउस ठीक है तो कर रहा था so there that's where I'm coming from चंदर थोड़ा माइक बहुत खुले है मैम लेना लेना मैम लेना मैम ये चंदर दादा आपको किस तरह बात नहीं वहाँ पे थोड़ा पीछे बस Two months later, the art form will be instead of art form. Where is kind of it's practical just because they move stuff like that.
This is also Sri Ram Kishore. It's all part of the Indigo collection. No?
मैं एक चुप करके आ जाता हूँ एक मिनट हाँ हाँ मैडम को जाने दो मैडम को
Yeah, we'll just go on.
These also handmade.
Handmade.
मैम यहाँ पे लेना मैम यहाँ पे सेंटर
Manoj.
हाँ जी
Yeah, naya recording style.
वीडियो ले रहा हूँ वीडियो कर रहा हूँ आज
मैम सेंटर
मैम यहाँ पे
मैम यहाँ पे
Wait, guys.
Chalo, I'm blind.
I'll just take this side. Then you come back. ठीक है बोल आगे मत जाओ
सिक्योरिटी को पीछे हटा यार यही तो बीच में हम लोग
थोड़ा बाद में
करू दे ना तुम्ही आता काय करताय संकेत दुकान आहे रे माझं दुकान आहे आम्ही हे तर करू दे ना
वो दादा तुम थोड़ा फोन मांगे
मेल किया है ना जफर थोड़ा ऐसा हाँ बस हाँ चलो देखो डालता हूँ
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर
अरे तुम लोग आओगे फिर
मैम हम लोग राइट में
चलो स्टील हो गया हटो अभी
मैम राइट में कुछ और चाहिए सर
मैं कुछ नहीं ये पूछेगी वो आंसर करेगी
Hello ma'am,
Anything
and
specific you want to ask?
welcome to the brand new store of Project Eve. You look flawless and gorgeous as well. Thank you so much for a new time and joining us here today. So first of all, we saw you took a tour of this very beautiful store already. What was the first thing that came to your head?
Firstly, it was a very, very long tour because it was a massive area downstairs that I've checked out, and there's such a huge area upstairs. I didn't expect it to be this big up here. So there's not one thing that came to my head. I mean, if you ask me the first thing that came to my head, maybe I was told about how the experience is really great, and now that I see it, I think they've planned it so beautifully. So basically, you come here, you shop, and work yourself out. work yourself up to an appetite, go to the cafe, eat something, and then just go and pamper yourself in the salon. So I love that. I love that there's everything in the store. You know, you have your evening wear, your casual wear, even like athletic wear, and Indian wear, and you have lingerie as well, in the cafe, and the spa room, you know, and all the pampering areas that the girls like. And also like the trial rooms downstairs have this section for the men, these lovely couches, so you know the husbands can come and sit down, the boyfriends can come and sit down. I think it's really great. I think it's really well designed. The jewelry is well. I mean, I think it's very well thought out. You know, project. And I think it's going to be amazing. I've loved so much. I'm already making a list as to what I want to put into my shopping bag on the way out. Loved it. Definitely loved it.
So we saw you exploring every aspect of the store, and like you said, there are so many things to explore. I'm sure there's yet a lot of things which are left unexplored by you. So in short, it's just like a one-stop destination to all the fashion problems of every girl, and every girl in the age group of 25 to 40. So like you mentioned, you would like to come here and pamper yourself, fill in your appetite with some tasty food at the cafe. Is it a place you would come to with your friends to shop every time?
It's like a shopping sort of destination to come to, as well as a really cool hangout place. You know, when you have a little stop where you can sit, because as women, you know, we don't spend 5 minutes in the store. We spend at least 2 hours, you know, at least for me, I spend at least 2 hours in the shop. So I like to take my time, and then you get tired, you want to sit down, you want to eat something. You don't have to go out somewhere to get it. You get everything here. So they've been very smart, I think, and I think I would definitely come here. The only problem is getting out. Because I would come here and probably spend so many hours, they'd have to kick me out at the end of the day.
And also, you would have so many people when you try something on. And also, out of all the collections that you checked out, what did you like the most, and what did you feel about the collection in Project E?
I actually like everything. I think I've loved the the Western stuff downstairs. I love the Indian wear. I mean, I think it's super comfortable and very flattering. But I think the thing that appealed to me the most was the Swadesh collection, the Swadesh collection. I think it's amazing because it's such a sort of dying art form, and I think it's really great that they're showing it in such a beautiful way. They're showing the artisan's dream as well, the way they've made it, and it's fascinating. And I think that a lot more people should be actually buying stuff like this. So I like that it's so readily available now, and I'm glad that they're supporting it. So I think that's something that really stood out.
And also, I saw the expression you had on your face when you heard that it has the artisan's name
on
it, which I'm sure none of the other brands have ever done.
Exactly, and I think it's so important because it's so easy for you to go to a store and just pick out something, but you don't know the work that's gone into it. And here you can actually see the people that have done it. And I'm glad that they're getting that recognition. So I think
connect to the person who's actually made connected to the person who's made the outfit and you're wearing it. And what do you have to, like you mentioned about the spa, you already explored the salon, you've also explored the cafe. What do you have to say about it?
I tasted some stay away from the cafe, yes. I was given some chocolate bits. I just think it's amazing though. I think like I said, it's so well thought out, and I think it's something that I would love. I think every other store should be definitely jealous of the fact that this store has so much to offer. And I love it. I mean, what else is there to say? It speaks for itself. People are going to be barging in here to just raid the store.
Since you already checked out the trial rooms and you mentioned about the lounge area,
I love the
charging
lighting.
sockets. We ran out of battery when we were taking selfies.
And mood lighting.
Mood lighting, exactly. The day and night issue that we usually have. What was your reaction when you saw all of it? First, have you seen something like this before?
I had a very naughty reaction. So my initial reaction was that this is probably mood lighting for the boyfriends and the girlfriends to have a little alone time in the changing rooms. But I think it's really cool, I think it's amazing. I think it's so important for me, as an actor. I know what lighting is all about, but I feel that lighting is such a big issue now, and it's nice to sort of see things in different lights as well, because sometimes you buy something and you go out and you're like, oh, it doesn't look nice. So I like that they've actually done that. It actually shows a lot of courage from the brand's part, I think.
And lastly, we would like to know about your fashion style. What is your go-to statement, and also which collection or which specific attire from the collections that you explored you think you relate the most to?
I think my sort of fashion go-to, what I look at when I'm looking at dressing up, is mainly, I know it sounds really lame, but comfort. You've got to be comfortable.
Definitely doesn't sound
I feel, because I think it's such such an easy, lazy thing to do. You want to be comfortable, but it's important. You know, if you're not comfortable, you're going to be fidgety. You're not going to walk properly. You're not going to be able to be. You're not going to be able to carry your outfit well enough. So comfort is definitely a big thing. I like to keep it simple and clean and not overdo it. I've loved the Indian collection. I think it's absolutely stunning, and yeah, I think that's something I relate to the most. They're very flattering, beautiful pieces. So yeah.
And what do you recommend? A very
Absolutely, very obvious question.
Everybody.
I don't want to leave the store, so I think that's enough of a recommendation. I love it. I think it, like I keep saying, it's so well thought out because it's some place that, I mean, sometimes shopping can be stressful, and this is something that just eases you out, calms you down. You know, you get your sugar cravings when you're shopping, so you get your sugar cravings sorted and your spa sorted. So it's amazing. I think it's absolutely fantastic.
Thank you so much, Viviana. Can we have a huge round of applause for her, please, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for joining, and I'm sure there are some more photo sessions for you. Yes, thank you so much for joining.
Bye.
So we'll do it on the mic? We'll go meet. Okay, so the floor is open for questions.
बाबू माइक डालो ना.
माइक डालो.
विदाउट माइक. अरे विदाउट माइक क्या है?
देखना वो बोल रही है ना. अरे यार इसमें आवाज नहीं आएगा यार.
I just said so. I think the concept is so amazing. I think it's amazingly done. I think they've thought of every aspect. They've thought of the shopping experience. They've thought of your hunger, and they've also thought of your comfort. You get tired shopping. So the best thing is spas right there, your salons right there. You can get a foot massage. You can get everything possible. So I think it's a very well thought out store.
अरे यार बाइक होने के.
My message, I think, would be come here and shop, because I think it's a really, really great store. I think this is the first Marks and Spencer's outlet as to be open globally in another store. So I think that's also really great. I mean, Marks and Spencer's is known for their lingerie, and I think it's absolutely vital for women to have lovely lingerie. And I think it's great. I think I don't need to say anything to the ladies out there. You can see the store for yourself. It's absolutely outstanding. Come down. Even if you're not sure about shopping and you feel like you don't want to shop, at least come down and go to the cafe if you want to. I think you're going to love the place. I think they've got a really nice, reasonable collection as well, in a lovely price range, so should be fun.
इलियाना, अगर आपको किसी को गिफ्ट करना होगा यहाँ से, तो वो क्या होगा, कौन सा कलेक्शन होगा और किसको गिफ्ट करना है?
यार बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे. I can't choose one thing, but जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा था, I love the Swadesh collection. I think it's absolutely lovely. तो if I had to choose one thing, तो वो शायद उस collection से ही भी.
लीना जी हिंदी में जानना चाहेंगे कि
हिंदी में जानना चाहेंगे. अच्छा.
दूसरी प्रोजेक्टिव की स्टोर यहाँ पे खुला है, मुंबई में दूसरा है, पहले बनारस में चुका है, पूरे देश में 6ठा स्टोर है प्रोजेक्टिव का. किस तरह से खास करके महिलाओं को बढ़ावा देने के लिए, प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए खास कलेक्शन सिर्फ महिलाओं के लिए यहाँ पर सारी चीज़ें, अगर ड्रेसेस की बात करें, ऑर्नामेंट्स की बात करें, चप्पल शूज़ की बात करें, कैफ़े भी है, स्पा रूम भी है, तो कुल मिलाकर अगर कितना अट्रैक्शन होगा महिलाओं के लिए मुंबई शहर में?
आपने तो पूरा आंसर दे दिया मेरे लिए. सब कुछ तो है यहाँ पे, तो और कुछ बताने की क्या जरूरत है? मतलब there's nothing else. It's you have everything here. जैसे कि आपने कहा था, अरे यार आपने तो पूरा बोल दिया हिंदी में, मुझे बोलने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. मतलब everything is here. You got your shoes, you have your lingerie, cafe है, spa है, सब कुछ है. मतलब is there anything else? Is there anything else that you're thinking? I don't think so. I think यहाँ पे जितने भी ladies I can see, they all look super happy to me. So yeah.
क्या ये बहुत बड़ा अट्रैक्शन पॉइंट बनेगा मुंबई शहर में रहने के लिए?
Absolutely. मेरे हिसाब से तो बिल्कुल. Exactly.
इलियाना किस तरह की स्टाइल शेड्यूल को फॉलो करती है?
मैंने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया यार. This is the same question. मैं तो comfort मेन रखती हूँ. I have to be comfortable. I think that's very important. And yeah, you know, जितना simple हो आपका look is better. The more you try to add things, the more bad it looks. So I try to keep it simple.
So any upcoming project you would like to share with us on screen?
Raid. Raid is
Let's
coming.
stick to the questions. To the story.
Any trend that I'd like to take forward. I'm a 90s girl. I love overalls. I absolutely love overalls. You know, like dungarees and jumpsuits. They're so comfortable. See, all the girls are nodding, so they agree with me. Let's bring back overalls and jumpsuits. Yeah.
Arvind.
All right. I think we sorted.
Yeah, nahi.
अरे बुलाया क्या बुलाया आपने?
प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा ऑफिस में, सीरियस बोल रहा हूँ।
इलाना मैम
बोल यार।
अरे यार इलाना मैम मैम